Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Colonial mortgage account. So if you want to log into your Colonial mortgage account, first of all launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link loansphereservicingdigital.bkiconnect.com/colonial/has/login. Press enter. Now after that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Colonial Mortgage. If you do not want to enter this link, what you can do is simply type in Colonial Mortgage login, press enter. Now you'll be able to find various results over here. What you have to do is simply click on the link provided by bkiconnect.com. Now if you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Colonial Mortgage. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, register your account, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, simply enter your username and password. So click on the field of username and enter the username over here. If you have forgotten your username, you can simply click on this option, forgot username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it too. Now, after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Colonial Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.